Hi guys, I would like to introduce you our call center demo. It was created by the scientists of National Laboratory Astana. Now first I'm going to demonstrate you how it works in a sample use case. So basically this is what a customer sees and hears when he calls to the call center. Now let's dial the number. Арасынан сапары. Қазақстан темір жолы.
Деп айтыңыз. Дұрыс болса бірді басыңыз, болмаса екіні басыңыз. Мекеменің атын айтыңыз.
Аэропорт.
Сіз аэропорт деп айттыңыз. Дұрыс болса бірді басыңыз, болмаса екіні басыңыз. Оның нөмірі 77-70-07. Жүйені пайдаланғаныңызға рахмет. Сау.
Now I would like to demonstrate you the technologies that lie behind the call center service. This website shows you how the speech recognition and spoken tone detection works. And it gives you the services like audio transcription, audio search, or audio analytics. Now it also has some features where you extract the videos from YouTube and transcribe in here. It also works with the videos from Khabar news broadcast, and you can also upload your own file and it will transcribe you. And then also you can search the keywords in the video. So let's show you an example how YouTube videos work. You copy the URL of selected video on YouTube and paste in our website and press the transcribe button. Now it takes few seconds. Our video has been processed. It roughly took 2 minutes, and on the right section we see on which time frame, which phrases or which words or which sentences were pronounced. So let's see what we got.
Семейде су бұзып кеткен көпір жөнделіп жатыр. Суық бастау кентіне баратын жолдағы өткел кеше тасқынға төтеп бере алмай елеулі зардап шеккен. Осы уақытта құртылған өзен.
Right, now if you go to search button and if we look for the certain keywords that were pronounced in the video, it will show you starting from which second the words or phrases were pronounced. For example, let's take the example of "Won без Adam." Now if we copy it and put in a keywords section, it starts from 13th second. So this is how speech recognition and spoken term detection works. Now I want to show you another demo on how speech recognition and spoken term detection works. So this site presents the pre-collected and processed videos, whereas the previous website showed us the live videos collected from YouTube. And if we, for example, type the word president, it finds us all the videos that the word president was pronounced, both in Kazakh and Russian languages. So right here we see that we found 9 results in both Kazakh and Russian languages. And main feature that we have to pay attention on is that the search for keywords takes the lemma of the word. So for example, if you type the word president, it shows you the options with президента, президенті, президенттің, and so on.
Обращение президента активно обсуждают в Европе, по мнению немецкого.
Президента о перераспределении полномочий между Президент заботится о том, чтобы Казахстан и далее президента и народа.
So in this video we see that the word president was pronounced 4 times and it was in different forms, but the lemma of the word was still the president.
Президент беделді парламент, президентіміздің үндеуін берсеңіз, президентіміздің үндеуін.
And another video was demonstrated on how Kazakh language works. Now let me demonstrate you how the speech synthesis works. So if you put the text in here and press the speak button, it converts the text to the audio file. Okay, let's put another example. You also can save this audio file by pressing this button and going further on. Now let's put another example. Let's type in. And let's hear it. And obviously you can save it as well. So these 3 are all the technologies that lie behind the call center service. Thanks for paying attention. See you next time. Goodbye.